In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF in Notion. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to save your Notion pages as PDFs for offline access, sharing, or printing. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the page in Notion that you're intending to export. Make sure it's the right page, as the exported PDF will reflect exactly what's on your screen. This step is crucial because once the export process begins, you want to ensure that all the content is exactly as you want it. Take a moment now to verify that everything looks good and that the page is fully up to date. Next, you're going to navigate to the top right corner of your Notion page. Here you'll find the More Options menu, symbolized by the 3 dots or ellipsis icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with additional page settings and options. This menu is your gateway to exporting, among other neat features that can help customize your Notion experience. From the drop-down list, you'll want to select the export option. This is where the magic truly begins, as it allows you to convert your Notion page into different formats. Selecting Export will lead you to a new window where you can specify the desired format for your file. Choosing the right format is essential for ensuring that your document is accessible and formatted correctly. Under the Export Format section, you'll see an option to choose PDF. Click on this to indicate that you want the output file to be a PDF, which is a universally accepted format perfect for sharing and maintaining the look of your document across different platforms. PDFs can also easily be printed or added to presentation materials, making this an ideal choice for preserving layout and design. Before proceeding, you have a few options to consider for your PDF export. For example, you can choose to include subpages in your PDF. If your main page contains valuable details nested in subpages, enabling this option will ensure that all those details are captured. Additionally, you might see a page size option, which allows you to determine how the content will be sized on each page of your PDF. Adjusting these settings can be quite handy depending on what the PDF is for, so tailor these settings to suit your needs. Once you've adjusted the options to your satisfaction, proceed by clicking the Export button. Notion will then take a moment to generate the PDF, incorporating all your selected preferences. This part may take a few seconds depending on the amount of content and whether or not subpages are included. After this brief wait, your PDF will be downloaded onto your device, free, ready for you to review, share, or save. And there you go. You've successfully exported your Notion page to a PDF. This straightforward process is a fantastic way to keep a record of your pages and share them with others. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.